Hello everyone, my name is Haewon Byun and I am from the Department of Future Technology and Korean University of Technology and Education. Let me further introduce my research. We propose an adaptive learning framework for real-time prediction of range change intelligence by using spatial temporal features and a viral STM attention model, and our method improves early prediction accuracy and running efficiency. So, uh, artificial range change intelligence is very important for intelligent transportation systems. However, range change prediction is especially challenging in the dense traffic conditions, so many previous methods do not respond well to dynamic environment. Uh, so uh, for autonomous driving, proactive decision making is needed. Directing range change intentions always critical for safety. So our main goal is to improve our stage classification using via STM and attention mechanisms. So next, there have been many studies using LSTM and GRU, sorry, GRU for driver behavior recognitions. So recently, attention and CRF models have shown good results. In our approach, we integrate by LSTM with attentions and reinforcement running for better performance. So our system has a multi-level architecture. So first, we extract vehicle relative features through pre-processing. Then the via STM attention model predict the intention to change range. We use features from the Eagle vehicle and six surrounding vehicles. This includes the relative distance, heading angle, and range positions and the velocity. So we also apply time series according to run motion patterns. Uh, we tested our model using the Anderson Public dataset, which contains the real freeway driving data. So we experiment with for time series ranges from 1 to 4 seconds. The 2 seconds window gave us the best result. Our model achieved an accuracy of 88.68% at the 2-second mark. And this result are from the other time windows. Higherly detection have to minimize false participles. In conclusion, our BIRSTM model with attention and reinforcement learning improves range change predictions. So we achieved high accuracy and low latency. In the future, we plan to generalize our method to multi-agent coordination and real-time systems. Thank you for listening to my presentations. Uh, if you have any questions, so I'm happy to answer. I am finished. Thank you.